Hey everyone. If you're having trouble logging into TurboTax and can't access your account, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix TurboTax login errors fast so you can get back to your taxes without delay. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes login issues happen simply because the connection is slow or intermittent, so check your Wi-Fi or wired connection. Next, double-check your username and password. I mean, even small typos, extra spaces, or wrong capitalization can prevent login, so enter credentials carefully. If you're using TurboTax online, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. Cached data or browser glitches often block login attempts, so this usually solves the problem quickly. If credentials still don't work, reset your password. I mean, TurboTax provides a forgot password link that lets you recover your account in minutes. Sometimes login errors happen because TurboTax servers are down. Check their server status online or on social media to see if it's a widespread issue, and wait if necessary. If you're using a VPN or strict firewall, try disabling it temporarily. I mean, these can sometimes block TurboTax from connecting properly, so make sure it's allowed through. And finally, if none of these steps work, contact TurboTax support. They can help recover your account and fix login issues that you can't resolve on your own. So yeah, those are the fastest ways to fix TurboTax login errors. Follow each step carefully and you should be able to log in without problems. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more TurboTax tutorials